Good morning, my dear students. This is your next lecture of the IT, and we are doing the Unit 4th Web Applications. And last time we have done this topic, creating and publishing a blog. What is a blog? What are the advantages of the blog? How you can write the blog? This was done in our previous lecture. Today I will send you one video of YouTube for your reference. By this you can get that how you can create a blog, how you can earn the money from a blog. So theory you have done of this topic, and the practical we will done through a video that I will send you that I will attach on the Google Classroom, how to create a blog. Now the next one is, our today's topic is working with accessibility options. Accessibility options means कि जिनको हम easily access कर सकते हैं, how we can use these options, जो हमारे benefits के लिए बनाई गई हैं, उन लोगों के benefits के लिए जिनमें कुछ ना कुछ problems होती हैं. Problems like common impairments. Some people have some problem like this. First, these 4 problems, by keeping in mind these 4 problems, so these accessibility options are made for these type of the people who are having such type of impairments. Like first was the visual impairments. What is the visual impairment? If anyone having some problem in visual, if her eyesight is weak, he is blind, so some accessibility options are available on our PCs so that they can easily use the computers. Some are having the hearing problems. Their hearing power is low. So by setting some options, they can hear from the computers very easily. Some have physical impairment. Some have some physical disabilities, like someone are having no hands and they are having trembling hands. These type of problem, by keeping in view these type of the problems, these accessibility options are made. Learning disability, some people have the problems to learn, that is known as the dyslexia problem. Like, so these which are having these types of the problem, visual problem, hearing problem, physical problem, learning disability problems. So some accessibility options are made in the computer. By setting these options, they can easily use the computers. So in my today's sessions, we will do how we can done the setting of these type of impairments problems. So let's move to the practical session. These settings we can done in our control panel. Firstly, you have to start with your control panel. Now firstly we will click here on our start button. Then we will move to our control panel. When you will go to the control panel, I have double click it. So firstly go to the control panel. When you will click on the control panel, you will see this type of screen. Adjust your computer settings. In this we will go ease to access. Ease to access means by setting which options we can easily getting the access of using this computer. So ease of access, I will click on it. Then ease of access center. You will click on ease of access center. When you will click on this ease of access center, you will see this type of the window is coming like this. Now there are many options by which you can setting the menu. By using these, you can set many options for the people who are having many types of the impairment. First is the start magnifier. Who is having the visual problem, then they can use the start magnifier. Magnifier means who will show the words, letters in with the magnifiers. But they will be look very bright and broad. Now I am clicking on this. Now you can see magnifier is started here. By this, whenever you are going, that is showing in this magnifier, this one. So I am minimizing this screen, and you can see magnifier is shown here. So where I am moving my mouse, everything is looking so broad here. This is the magnifier. You can see this. Where I am moving my mouse, and you can see in this magnifier everything is looking so broad. I think who are having the low vision, they can use the magnifier on this, and you can magnify settings from 100% to 200% and the more. Like this, if I am clicking on it like this, here is setting is 200% views. Now whenever you will go on this, I am clicking on this arrow, you can see this is docked window is click. Dock means जिस पे आप click कर रहे हो, जहाँ पर you are hovering your mouse, that part will be shown here in a magnified way. And lens, as you can use the lens, when I am clicking on this, you can see lens की तरह work कर रहा है. ये बिल्कुल ही बहुत ज़्यादा bold और dark आपको show कर रहा है. जहाँ जहाँ आप जा रहे हो, that is looking like a lens. Clearly. Now I'm again clicking on this magnifier. So we have used docked lens. ये सिर्फ उतने ही पार्ट को डार्क कर रहा है जहाँ पर मैं माउस को मूव कर रही हूँ. अब मैं फुल स्क्रीन पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ. Now I am clicking on this full screen. Now everything is looking so broad. You can see. तो फुल स्क्रीन ही हमारी मैग्नीफाई हो गई है. तो इट इज़ अप टू यू विच टाइप ऑफ मैग्नीफायर यू कैन यूज़. देर आर द 3 steps to use the magnifier: full screen, lens and the dogs. Clearly. Now I am closing this magnifier. Now the magnifier is closed. So by this we can use this option magnifier for those persons who are having the visual impairment. Clearly. Now I'm again clicking on this, going on the control panel and ease of control panel, then again ease of center and ease of access center. Now start on screen keyboard. Sometimes the keys of our keyboards are destroyed and they are not working. So in case, what we can do, if our work is still pending, then it's not possible for us to go the market at such time, and it's not possible for us to make it available the keyboard. So in that case we will use the on-screen keyboard. Click on it and this keyboard is showing here. Whenever you will click on the keys, that will be typed in which applications you are working. Suppose if you are working in MS Word, Excel, so you can use your keyboards from here. This is your on-screen keyboard available. Clearly. Sometimes it is not possible for persons who are having the physical impairment. It is not possible for them to type for using with the keyboard. So they will use the on-screen keyboard. Just by clicking on it, they can use it. So physical impairments, this facility is for the physical impairment person. Now next is this start narrators. Click on it. Narrator reads aloud text on the screen. Microsoft Narrator window. Focus on book help button. Now you can see small a voice is coming whose volume is very slow, but that is coming by clicking on this start narrator. When you will click on this start narrator, this window will come here, Microsoft Narrator, and it will narrate all this. On which you will click, it will narrate all these options. Now I am control whether narrator starts when I log on page. Book help button. Voice settings button. Like this. You can setting the voice from here, and if you want to exit, you can click on it. Do you want to exit the narrator? Then it will stop narrating all the points. Now I am setting up a high contrast. Who was having some visual problem, it is not possible for them to see. Here they want some dark background. Then they will set their color combination with the high contrast by using this option, setting up high contrast. There setting up high contrast is available. Now turn on and off high contrast when left alt plus left shift print screen is pressed. When you will press these 3 buttons, you will see the high contrast is on. And now I am pressing these 3 buttons and you can see which type of screen will come. Whenever you will press, this type of screen will come, that is high contrast screen. Its background color is black and the foreground color is white, that is becoming very dark. So this is by this you can set for the visual impairment persons. Now here it is showing that is not coming clearly. Apply and OK. If you want to apply, you can click in apply and then OK. Otherwise you want to cancel it. I am cancelling this. Now you have seen, by using this setup high contrast, we can set the contrast color of the screen. So these are the options. These are main 4 options that are that we can use for the impairment for the persons who are having the impairments, various types of the impairments I told you, and some other settings are also we can explore this setting. Need not to go in more details, just we will go through it and just have a look on these options. Explore all the settings. When you select these settings, they will automatically start each time when you log on. जो settings आप इसमें set कर दोगे, and whenever you will log on in your computer, this settings will automatically set up, and that will work like that. First option is use the computer without a display. That is optimized for the blind persons. मतलब this option is used for the blind person. So I am clicking on this, use the computer without a display. Here you can see the first option here, text read allowed. Turn on narrator. When you will click on this narrator, so when you will open your PC, when you will start your PC, then there will be the narrator who will narrate each and everything on where you are clicking, which screen are coming, but you have to so that he and she can hear it very clearly. He and she needs a speaker for hearing this. तो नरेटर जब ऑन होगा, अगर आप विदाउट स्पीकर यूज़ करोगे, तो अभी मैंने आपको वॉइस सुनाई थी जो बहुत स्लो थी. इफ़ यू वांट अ हाई वॉल्यूम, देन यू नीड अ स्पीकर्स. This is for a persons who are having a blind impairment, who cannot see that person. And turn on audio descriptions. When you will click on this option, here descriptions of what's happening in videos when available. It means कि जो भी वीडियोज़ में अवेलेबल, जो भी वीडियोज़ या ऑडियो स्टार्ट होगी, उसकी पूरी डिस्क्रिप्शन ये सुनाता जाएगा. दिस ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन, इट विल speak each and everything what is coming in this videos, what is the scene, next scene is coming, so this will see all this. These are the use the computer without a display. Now I am going back. Now next is make the computer easier to use. That is optimize visual display, जिसमें कुछ देखने की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, that is for them. चूज़ अ हाई कॉन्ट्रास्ट थीम, ये भी मैंने आपको क्लियर किया. हाई कॉन्ट्रास्ट हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं. उसके बाद अगेन टर्न ऑन नरेटर एंड टर्न ऑन ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शंस. डिपेंड ऑन इट व्हाट द नीड यू हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. टर्न ऑन मैग्नीफायर भी टर्न कर सकते हो. अगर बड़ा देखना है, लेंस यूज़ करना है या मैग्नीफाई यूज़ करना है, देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस टर्न ऑन मैग्नीफायर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग बैक. Next is use the computer without a mouse or a keyboard. कि आप इस कंप्यूटर को बिना माउस और कीबोर्ड के कैसे यूज़ करते हो. सेटअप ऑल्टरनेटिव इनपुट डिवाइसेस. यूज़ ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड. वी कैन यूज़ ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड. क्लिक ऑन दिस, देन द कीबोर्ड विल बी हेयर. Type using the mouse or another pointing device such as joystick by selecting the keys from a picture of a keyboard. Joystick is just like a stick. जहाँ आप ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड पे टच करते जाओगे, that letters will be printed, that letters will be typed in your application, MS Word, Excel, which applications are you using. सो विदाउट माउस और कीबोर्ड के भी हम उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं विथ जॉयस्टिक. नाउ नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज make the mouse easier to use. This is make the mouse easier to use. ये उनके लिए जिनमें कुछ देखने की प्रॉब्लम है और माउस पॉइंटर का साइज और कलर उनको एकदम से क्लियर नहीं हो पाता, तो यहाँ लार्ज वाइट, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज वाइट, लार्ज ब्लैक, एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज ब्लैक, these type of signs they can use for their mouse pointer. So turn on the mouse keys. You can turn on, control the mouse with the keyboard से भी आप सेट कर सकते हो. तो set up your mouse keys. The first option here, activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse. जैसे ही आप इसी विंडो पे माउस को लेके जाओगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी अगर आप उस पर होवर करते हो माउस को. होवर मीन्स व्हेन वी आर मूविंग the mouse on that applications we are moving, that is hovering means moving. So these are the options which we can use, we can set up for the various impairment persons. So we have done up to here, make the mouse easier to use. In my next video we will move further, make the keyboard easier to use, and these 3 options and some more options in my next video we will discuss. So in today's sessions we have read about impairments and how we can set up the various options for the various persons who are having the various type of the impairments. Please use these options in your PC, and I am also sending a one video which is that how you can create your blog, practical session of the how you can create your own blog and you can earn the money from that. Please use these both options. Please use me. Please see these 2 videos, and after that this one last topic is left. In my tomorrow video I will clear the next topic. This last topic we will finish this chapter, that will be finished, and after that there will be your exams. So after exams we will start our next chapter, next unit we will start. Then tomorrow we will finish this unit, and I hope you all have written all the question answers in your notebook. 10 question answer I have given, and 11th tomorrow I will give you to write in your notebook. After that this unit is finished, practical session and the theory part of this unit is finished. So thank you and have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day.